Good day, everybody. Today we're going to be updating some of the Mac OS versions, so I'm going to show you how to do that on the MacTool that you bought. So there's a simple app that I use. It's called Mist. It can speed this process up. So I just turned on my Mac right now. Got the drive plugged in. Let's see if we can start to load up. Okay, so looks like everything's loaded up. I'm going to record this on here. I'm probably going to take you guys in there right now too. Cool, so this is the app that you want to use. It's called Mist. It looks like this. You need to be connected to Wi-Fi, obviously. Okay, so we got two tabs up here: firmwares and installers. Firmwares, I believe, are to be used with like Apple Configurator and DFU Blaster, if you're familiar with that. We're going to take a look at, let's see, for example, Monterey. What is Monterey on? Monterey is 12.7.6. Has there been any updates? No, there hasn't. Okay, so we'll look at another one. Big Sur. Big Sur is no. Sorry, I thought that was something else. Ventura. There we go. So Ventura is 13.7, and look, there's a 13.72 here. So what you're going to do while the drive's connected, all you got to do is just hit this button on the right side. It's basically to create the bootable installer. And you're going to pick the correct one, of course. Ventura, so that's the one I'm updating. Select, and then you're going to get this screen where everything is loading up. It's going to download updated version of Mac OS. There we go. So it's about 12 gigabytes. I'll probably fast forward through this part of the video during editing. Yeah, so right now what it's doing is it's going to create that installer over the one that we chose. Now, sometimes in order to run this app, you need to go into settings, depending on what Mac OS version you're running. This is SEQUOIA. This is on my 2015 Mac. You gotta go to privacy and security, and then full disk access. You'll notice I have it. I tried Mac OS downloader at first, but that's not what was causing an error. I was getting an error because Terminal didn't have access to all the disks, basically. So if you don't do that, or if you get an error, you have to come in here and turn this option on. Basically, you would add whatever app you want to add. You know, you gotta put your password in. And you go to utilities, go down to terminal, and then just open terminal. Yeah, so it's already there. Once that, and then the tool will not throw any errors. So you see it's already at 20%. There it is. So now when you go in here, well, it says install Mac OS Ventura, but that's it. Now, in order to update the workflow ones, which most of them will probably be updated too, you gotta come over here to where it has the Mac OS installer. For example, so this one is 12.72. I'm gonna copy that, and then I'm gonna erase that. Move to trash, and then you're gonna go here and you're gonna drag that one in there. All right, so Hopefully I fast forwarded to that part and didn't make y'all sit through that. But it's almost done here, so about 5 seconds. Okay, now all you gotta do is just paste the name. There you go. So now it's updated, even though it says 3.13.7, it's actually 13.72. We just renamed it so that way the workflow doesn't freak out when you try to run it. But yeah, that's pretty much how you get that done using this Mist application. It's pretty neat. And you can download any of these versions. If you want to just download the installer, you can do that, but it's not going to do anything to help you with updating the drive. This is the side that you need to click to update the drive. So if I wanted to update to 15.2 Sonoma, SEQUOIA, I would just click SEQUOIA and run the updater. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.